Ano yun?
Di ba first time ko nga po kasi?
So, nasa Old Balad naman tayo.
There's a plenty of people. My God, naiinima ako.
I-video na rin naman ako.
Tumatakbo ka, dali. Kunwari, slow motion. Direk, para ka na pala ka na eh. Si Ar? Saan? This is Old Balad. Pag siya na mag-vlog ka na, binibidyo ko na nga eh. Ayan na. Tumalog ka ito.
Hello guys, dito tayo sa Old Balad.
Ay, ni Mika talaga. Iba talaga si Mika. Ano nakain mo?
Tagal ng may-ari naman.
Anong nakain mo? Ganyan ka ngayon.
Ay, no, yung ano, sa pusa.
Direk, paano yung maraming pinagdadaanan pero kunwari chill lang. Pero maraming problema. Happy na pawisan na ako mo. Ako din, mababasa na yung singit ko. Yung may singit is basa na. Ang ganda dito oh. Yun lang ulit ako nakabalik dito. Paano direct? Even me for almost
Kasama ko nung nagpunta tayo dito.
6 years, 7 years.
Kasama ka dito.
I don't know.
Kasama ka dito. Galing tayo.
Fiesta. Fiesta sa ano? Sa barangay. Sana yun. Ang ganda. Direct mauna ka. Para makunan kita. With you feeling why you're shining. Mali yung
Ito, so ano naman to? Al-Shion ng Archeological Site. Sorry to. Okay.
This is the Ashona 16th 20th century AD. Ito yung warehouse nila. It was like 19th century.
So, nandito na tayo sa Old Balad.
Mag-SD na tayo kay Tones.
Pupunta muna tayo doon.
Kay Tones, kaya ako sa mga kapan.
May ka na, andyan lang tayo sa bunga.
Kaya kababa ka nga yun. Hindi na siya ano. Hindi siya malamig. Oh my God, this is it. Gusto na naman sila tayo. Saan meron mo pala dito? Mas malapit doon kasi mo. Ang init. My God, masang kinit. Mamaya ba yung wifi? Ang dami niyang tao mamaya. No?
O, dito lang tayo sa bunga.
Sa may bagay lang. Mabilis lang.
في بلدنا هنانا يلا حيوا من جانا في بلدنا هنانا وحرحبا كل جا يا مرحبا كل جا ضيوفنا الله يحييهم ضيوفنا الله يحييهم ضيوفنا اهلا وسهلا ضيوفنا اهلا وسهلا ضيوفنا الله يحييهم ضيوفنا الله يحييهم ودندنا واحلى ضيوف عندنا وكل سنه وانتم طيبين رمضان كريم وصلي على الحبيب الكريم كثير واهلا وسهلا بكم في موسم رمضان.
Yay! Nice! Ay, ang ganda rin. Ah, nice. Ang bango.
Sige yan. Taray. Paano yung bango? Paano yung bango?
Ay, ito may coffee museum. Just House Coffee Museum. Asan yung coffee museum? Ito dito. Let's see. So, we will try coffee. So, coffee museum, okay. So, bakit nag-me time ka?
That was last year ago.
Last year ago?
Edit. That was last year. Ayan.
Bakit? Anong problema mo?
Wala lang naman. Gusto ko lang siyang ano, para at least wala
Meron na naman, teka lang. Meron na naman ano. Ito gusto ko yung mga tindahan ng mga insenso. Mabango kasi siya. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. So, na-amaze lang ako dun sa mga tindahan. Saka mga souvenir shops. Oh. Ito na yung ano, museum. Museum ba yan? Oo, parang yan nga yung... Exit yata yun eh.
Flash photography is not permitted inside the drinking smoking.
Museum na. So, nandito tayo sa museum. Museum.
Nakapunta ka ba ng museum ng ano, sa Binali?
Hindi po.
Sabi, ang ganda direct. promise
Uthman bin Affan.
na pinakamahal na gawa ng na made in ruby, made in diamond.
Oo. Ano tong mga to? Alam mo, na-amaze ako talaga sa mga ganitong mga artifacts. Ganyan lang? Ah, meron pa dito. Ay, hindi. Pasukan lang pala dito. Dito. Ah, oo.
Ano, may ganito kami daw. May ganito kami daw.
Mga na, ano? Trade and pilgrimage through the centuries. That is major trade habit during the Islamic period. Okay. So this is it.
So this is the entrance. And exit to.
Hindi, may araw pa sa ano eh. Ito, ano to mga to? Rose perfume. Ito sir.
Ha? Ito zero yung rooms. Ano gusto ko yung AC?
AC pala yun. Itinagaw yung AC dun sa ano. Pero yung architectural ano niya,
Sino mo po?
na-preserve nila yung ano, mga kahoy, ganyan. Tara.
Ito yung dati nilang bahay.
Historic district. Dito balik tayo. Hindi na rin tayo lumabas. Asan na yung dalawa?
O kasi magandang
Ah, ito yung mga ano. Ano to mga to? Mga stones. Hindi, may mga ano.
para sa mga ibig.
Ah, tombstones. Ano to? Okay. Ito, gravestones. Ay, may mga gravestones din pala sila. Thank you.
You can have a map if you want. It shows all the balance.
Can I take a video with you?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So, what is it that you are offering?
Okay, I'm offering this map. It shows all the valid places you can visit.
Mhm.
You can see here, this is the map and this is the services it provides. You
Okay.
can go to restaurants, cafes, or museums, parks, or even car parking, or everything you can find. Yeah.
All right, thank you very much.
I can, if you want, if you don't know about this place, I can, give you a little bit information if you want.
Is it fine?
Yeah. So what's crazy about this place is it's one of the largest houses in the village, and if you can see the ground and the walls are made of coral.
Coral.
Yeah, the one in the sea.
Wow, nice.
You can see. I will show you this.
Okay.
It will be easy to explain. You see this?
Wow. It's really a coral, right?
Yeah. Yeah, and you can see some seashells on the ground. You can see here. See here.
Seashells. Ah, nice.
Seashells. Yeah. This is they chose this type of material because coral actually absorbs moisture and provide cooling for the house, for the house member and all that. And also, if you go down there, you will see some underground water storage. But you have a peak there. You can have a peak.
Oh, nice. This is an underground.
Yes. So they built this before the house.
Oh,
It's very big. It's almost 800
square meters.
Yeah.
Okay. What is this underground for?
It's for water. So whenever it rains, there is a pipe in the top. Whenever it rains, it collects all the water to put it down there.
And,
This can provide water for the family and also to provide cooling. So whenever you have water beneath you, it will cool the air.
Yes.
Before we don't have any AC or ventilation. So this was a way to cool.
Nice,
So
nice.
water. Yes.
Okay, nice piece of history that you gave us.
Yes,
All right.
the crazy thing is they came up with this idea 155 years old, So nowadays you can see it in everywhere, but they had this idea way before,
before.
So it was very nice to see it,
Nice, nice,
Yeah.
nice. What is the name of this house?
This is Nasif's house.
Nasif's house.
Nasif's, yeah, it's the Nasif family. And if you come this way, this was an entrance. This was an entrance for the servant and camel and horses. Horses used to go climb up.
Wow.
all the way here.
All the way here?
Okay, I'm sorry.
All right, no
I
worries.
cannot- Yeah, I just know it's for happening.
Okay.
But yeah, and you can see some places here you can find.
This is a place, some stuff they found.
In here?
Yes, so this is you can see each one has a history. This is the numbers. Some came from Italy, some came from Jordan and other countries. It shows how the balad used to be the center for trading.
For trading. So even before trading is present here in Jeddah.
Yeah, and if you go, if you see this map, this shows how the trading used to be back in the day from all over the country. And there is a bigger map if you go from there inside. I recommend you to take a picture, it's really nice. Please go have a look and you'll see spices that we found throughout the years. You can open it, smell it, and it's good to see it. Yeah, please have a look.
Thank you.
If you have any question, I'll be here.
Thank you very much. Your good name is?
My name is Mishari.
Mishari.
Yes.
Thank you very much for those informations.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Nandito kami sa ilalim ng puno.
Yeah.
Naghihintay kami sa matanda kasi alam mo na ang pantog.
May sakit po yung pantog niya. So sa mga gusto po mag-donate ng pantog, paki-donate na po kay Mamu kasi hindi na po kaya. At dahil dyan, okay na to.
Hindi ako nainom talaga ng water.
So naghihintay kami dito. Ang tagal ng matanda. Ang pantog niya kasi.
Yung pantog niya po kasi expired na way back 10 years ago. So, ngayon, di baterya na lang po yung pantog niya. Di baterya na lang po. So ngayon, medyo weak na yung battery. Kailangan na natin palitan.
Bakit din ako sumama doon? Meron, ano talaga duda ako sa mga sinasabi ng mga Arabo na turn right, left, like that. Kasi alam ko malayo pa yun eh.
Ayun.
Saan?
Ayun na. Ayun na.
Ayun na po yung matanda. Medyo
Sabi ko na nga
pagod.
malayo, kaya hindi ako sumama.
Medyo may sakit na po yung pantog niya. Medyo hindi okay po yung pantog niya.
Sabi ng
Ayun na.
Arabo kanina, sabi niya doon daw sa likod, lumiko daw ng left side, tapos diretso, tapos kumanan. Hindi na, ayoko nung pumasok.
Ayun, ang ganda ng ng kembot ni Ma'am. Catriona Gray na may sakit.
Ang mga matatanda na talaga.
Oh my God, 71 si Ma'am, no?
Oh, hindi 72 yata. Oo.
72. Ano? Malayo?
Okay na mo?
Malapit lang.
Kanina po kami nag-aantay. Kinakamusta ka namin kung okay ka.
Kumusta yung pantog mo?
Uwi na tayo, pupunta na tayo
Uy,
Starbucks.
tara na!
Ala, nagtampo. Ay, ba't naka-video?